Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking the new very cool video. Before we go to the video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment saying I'm subscribed, and we are trying our best to personal reply to your comments, so let's go. Gimbal for GoPro, wearable and mountable 3-axis gimbal stabilize. The grade of waterproof is the same as iPhone 7 series. WG2 can continually work for 10 minutes under the water within 1 meter, supports GoPro Hero 5 Black, similarly sized cameras. Hologram projector, 3D holographic display with 42 centimeters in diameter. High-end brushless motor, ultra-thin design, ultra-high transparency. Upload content by SD card and Wi-Fi. Software system support Android, iOS and Windows. Auto tracking phone holder. Intelligent auto tracking. This automatic tracking phone holder enables to recognize faces or shapes and quickly capture your every move and follow you wherever you go. Support 360-degree horizontal rotation shooting. Nuclear explosion night light, 3D printing mushroom cloud lamp with 3-color changing, 7-color remote control adjustment, beautiful and practical artwork, energy saving and safety, handmade coloring. Original design. Luxury coffee mug, modern creativity espresso coffee mug and saucer sets. Cone-type design, exquisite and beautiful. It's a work of art, bone china material, lightweight and transparent, but sturdy. Applicable to espresso, coffee, tea, latte, cappuccino. Bathroom Footrest Shower. High-quality aluminium alloy material. Eco-friendly and non-toxic. Rust-resistant and durable. Shower footstool adopts the foldable design, which can save more space for you. You can make it folding when not using. Under-sink cabinet organizer. Provide versatile storage in compact spaces to keep supplies and essentials neatly stored in your kitchen, bathroom, office. Mesh designed for easily visualize and access storage. Package include assembly tools. Mini power bank. Intelligent Mole triple protection. It is fully compatible with mainstream mobile phones, tablets, and other digital devices such as Huawei, Apple and Oppo in the market. 10,000 mAh lithium electron polymer cell. Smart notebook. Smart erasable notebook, made with synthetic materials, provides an extremely smooth writing experience. Works with colorful erasable pens. Your work on the notebook can be colorfully. Smart erasable notebook is specially designed. Mini Goldfish Aquarium. Goldfish bowl for office desk with self-cleaning water change. Bicycle repair tool. 16-in-1 multi-repair tools made of carbon steel. Robot IP camera, 2.0 MP 1080p, high resolution, clear images and recording. Two-way audio, built-in microphone and speaker. The sound of the intercom is clear. Manage mobile apps, detect actions, and push notifications to mobile apps. Hey, if you like this video and want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thank you.